back to the channel. Only one half of the caper couple today, and I've got another YouTuber with me. This is Joe Wilson. His channel is called Crafted Man 1.
Crafted Man 1, yeah.
Crafted Man 1. Check him out, guys. He runs a gaming channel, and he also does some illusions on there. So it's pretty cool. Give him a look. Give him a subscribe. And he's going to hang out with me today, and we're going to go check a cool place out. So I'm going to flip the camera around here and film the ride. And we'll catch you when we get there, guys. What's up, guys? We're back, me and Crafted Man 1, and we're now at the Sterling Mine, guys. What a long ride it was to get out here, but we can't actually get down this road because it's just so deep of snow, and it's about 2 kilometers down there. So I'm gonna fly the drone down and get you guys some footage, show you what the place is all about. And Sterling Mine, guys, is just one of many that have operated in Canada, and in fact it is one of the most forgotten historical metal mines in Canada. It was established in 1872 and operated by Glace Bay Mining Company as a shaft mine. It was first owned by Thomas Peyton, Dr. William Sterling, and 2 other men, until later on when Peyton sold his part, and he sold his part to Dr. Sterling. Now, these collieries, they were operated between 1872 to 1914, and it's also known as Old Harbour Mine, or just a Sterling Mine. The mine dried up sometime in 1895. During that time, coal was discovered near the business sector of town. The mines were closed in 1896 and were abandoned during this time. So yeah, we're not going to be able to get down the Sterling Mine, but as you can see, people, it's a long ass road, a really long road. So guys, as I said earlier, check out Joe's channel. He's a gamer. He also does
I got lots of different kinds of videos on my channel, Crafted Man 1.
He's got lots of different stuff.
I got sceneries of local sceneries, I got music, I got gaming, I got illusions, I got things you'll never see before. I even got rock and roll history.
There you go, guys. Check him out.
Crafted Man 1. Thank you very much.
So we'll cut it here, fire the drone down, and be right back. Okay guys, we're finished. Drone shots, drone footage, you'll see it, you'll catch it. Gimbal just jumped on me. But yeah guys, not sure what's up for the next vid. We'll surely find something fun to do. So catch us next time. But until then, keep subscribing, hit that like button, comment down below, and we'll catch you later guys.